Hello everybody and welcome to another episode with the Tech Geek. Today we're going to be upgrading my existing PC, which has a Vega 64 and a Ryzen 1700, to the latest and the greatest. We got a Ryzen 7 5800X, we've got the MSI RX 6800 XT Gaming X Trio, which we had an unboxing video. If you haven't seen that, go definitely check that out. We also have a 970 Evo 2TB drive. Found this on deal on Newegg. We also have the Cable Mods cable extensions, so we can have a little bit of bling in here. And also got a good open box deal from Newegg on the Asus ROG Strix X570E board. So we've got this here. We'll do a BIOS update on it and kind of go through this a little bit later. Upgrading the liquid cooling on the computer. So currently we have a 360 on there, but we're going to go with the Extreme Edition, which is a 60mm rad. So we're going to see if that can help out our cooling for both these big guys once they're both eventually hooked up. We've got the new 250 SPC reservoir pump combo. And then also we have the EK Velocity RGB AMD water block. So it's going to be a nice little RGB bling, and we're going with the red coolant. We are going to be going with soft line tubing. Really just prefer it myself. It's much more reliable, and maybe in the future you guys talk me into moving on to something a little bit more like some hardline tubing, but at this time, this is where the budget wants to be at. And welcome back, everybody. As you can see, that was a fun build. We had a few challenges that we had to overcome, but all in all, it went really good. You know, we ran into a few issues trying to get the CPU block mounted, but we just kind of looked up the instructions and it went good. The only major issue that we actually ran into through the entire thing was one, I plumbed up the CPU block backwards, as you may have seen in the previous videos, but you'll see in the B-roll here that it is looking much better now. And two, we kept having a black screen issue with the 6800 XT. Eventually found out that we just needed a BIOS update, and that seems to have fixed it. MSI makes it kind of convoluted, so we will have a video coming out here soon for anybody that may be having the same issue, just walking you through how to fix it. Other than that, that is everything for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you really want to, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please go down into the comment section below and leave them there. I read every comment you guys leave me. And until next time, stay safe, everybody.